Hey TravelPug family! On every cruise, there comes a day when the ship doesn't dock anywhere. The horizon stretches endlessly in every direction, and time seems to slow down. While many travelers naturally head for the pool, a sea day can become one of the most rewarding parts of the journey. Here on TravelPug, let's explore a few experiences that transform a quiet day at sea into an opportunity for learning, creativity, and meaningful relaxation. Number 1. Attend destination and history lectures. Many cruise ships invite historians, naturalists, or regional experts to explain the places you'll soon visit. Understanding the history, culture, and traditions of upcoming destinations adds valuable context, making every port feel more meaningful once you arrive. Number 2. Join a culinary demonstration or cooking class. Sea days often feature professional chefs demonstrating regional recipes inspired by the voyage. On some ships, guests can even participate in hands-on cooking classes, learning practical techniques before enjoying the dishes they've prepared. Number 3. Experience guided wine or spirits tastings. Led by trained sommeliers or beverage specialists, these sessions introduce regional wines and spirits while explaining tasting methods, food pairings, and local production traditions. It's an educational experience as much as a social one. Number 4. Learn a new skill through dance or fitness. Ballroom dance lessons, yoga overlooking the ocean, or instructor-led fitness sessions offer a refreshing way to stay active. The gentle rhythm of the ship often creates a surprisingly peaceful atmosphere for movement and exercise. Number 5. Discover art and local culture. Many ships feature curated art collections, gallery talks, and cultural presentations connected to the itinerary. Some also host musicians or performers representing regions along the voyage, creating a deeper appreciation of the cultures you'll encounter. Number 6. Explore marine science. Being surrounded by the open ocean provides the perfect setting for marine biology talks. Experts may discuss ocean ecosystems, wildlife, migration patterns, or the science behind the waters you're crossing, adding perspective every time you look out across the sea. Number 7. Develop creative hobbies. Photography workshops, travel journaling sessions, and creative writing classes encourage passengers to document their experiences with fresh perspective. These quiet activities often become lasting reminders of the journey long after the cruise has ended. Number 8. Join trivia, card games, or discussion groups. Sea days are also ideal for meeting fellow travelers. Trivia competitions, bridge tournaments, book discussions, and small group conversations create opportunities to connect with people who share similar interests while enjoying a relaxed pace. Number 9. Take time for wellness and reflection. Many ships offer meditation sessions, wellness seminars, or simple quiet spaces designed for relaxation. With no sightseeing schedule to follow, a sea day offers a rare chance to slow down, recharge, and simply appreciate being surrounded by open water. A sea day is far more than a break between ports. It offers space to learn something new, enjoy meaningful conversations, develop new skills, and experience the unique atmosphere that only life at sea can provide. Whether you're exploring local cuisine, listening to expert speakers, or watching the sun drift across the horizon, these moments often become some of the most memorable parts of the voyage. Thank you for spending time with TravelPug today. If you enjoy thoughtful travel stories and practical cruise insights, we'd be delighted to have you join us again on another journey. Until next time, safe travels and calm seas.